All right, that is Boeing 777. This one right here, we're flying to Taipei with that one. Boeing 777, United Airlines. It's my first time flying United to Asia this time. I've flown with United to other countries, but not to a country in Asia or to a place in Asia or to a city in Asia. It's gonna be my first time here on United Airlines to Asia from America, of course.
So what you see here.
We are now at the G gate. The A and G gates probably serve international flights from San Francisco International Airport. All right, hope you all have a wonderful day.